Hello everyone. So another update. I have my new replacement block. Well, it's not new, but it's used, but it's new to me. It's a K20z3. Reason I want a K20z3 is because of this hole. I need it for my motor mount to replace that engine block. So I did my pre-inspection, my pre-wash. It's not all the way clean yet. And yeah, I used pressure washer. It got rust in there, but I don't care about that because I have to take it to a machine shop and have it bored out anyways. So finally found a good block. It passed my inspection. I didn't find any cracks, and I'm about to start getting ready to start moving forward on pulling that motor out, getting the pistons out of it, take the pistons and the block to a machine shop with the tech sheet so they can have the bores cut to the correct size for the pistons that I run on that. And that's what we're looking at right now. My goal for today is to clean the pollen out of the garage. So I'm going to pull both cars out, wash them, clean the entire garage, put away all my tools. I've been working on other cars and repairing some transmissions, so you got crap everywhere right now. But today the goal is to clean the garage, clean the cars, put everything in preparation to replace this. What I'm going to do is, once everything's cleaned up and ready to go and I got those pistons, I'm going to put this engine in the front of my Tesla so I can go to machine shop and troll the machine shop, because it'll be fun, because this fits in the front. So I'll be like, yeah, the engine's in the front, I'll pull it out. But you know, just a little comedy for the guys I work with over at the machine shop. But yeah, dirty, messy. I'm going to clean it up and get this thing ready to go in there and hopefully not damage it, because I kind of go really hard on my cars. We'll see what happens, and then eventually I'll get that thing going. But this is what's important right now. And this one, I have to replace the clutch. I kind of been procrastinating on doing that, so that's coming because I've been working also on that. And that other Honda over there is my son's Hondas, or those two, and my other cars. Anyway, you guys get what I'm saying. So I'll keep you guys posted and updated. Some of you guys are interested, so I'll just continue to upload updates as I go through them. But I'm more than likely going to be doing an entire video series once I pull that motor out and I start the rebuild process on this. And I'm going to record, most of the stuff that is important for this, to put it together from scratch. I'm going to be reusing a lot of the stuff out of the engine because that engine was a new build, but things happen. Sometimes engines fail. It's normal, especially when you run them hard. Anyway, talk to you guys soon.